It lets you view kind of what the students are viewing, and it allows you to grade the homework and do stuff like that, but to add content you have to be in as an administrator. So you do have to toggle back and forth from administrator to instructor. I'm going to add a discussion for Heart of Darkness. So I go to my little drop-down menu for Heart of Darkness, the little wheel of work is what I like to call it, and I say add content. And I'm going to actually just add a forum topic, so you have your choices. I select forum topic. And the window comes up, and I'm going to call it Heart of Darkness Quiz Prep Discussion. So I'm going to create a forum, questions that they might need to know the answer for before Tuesday's quiz on part 1 of Heart of Darkness. And you can either upload the file or create the document, and I'm going to create the document. I'm just going to leave it at that for now. I would add a little bit more, but we'll just in the water. And part of the reason why I'm doing this as a created document and not an upload, I will do an upload for the assignment. I remind my students continually, beautiful place to carry stuff. Not so much for actually working on things. So in order to upload the document assignment that Debbie's going to work on, it's a picture, because the iPad will only let me upload pictures into LoudCloud. So I have a picture of something that I'm going to.
So likely you're working on content on your computer where you have all your documents stored. Hopefully when we get the app working, it will allow you to pull things right out of Dropbox. So you can put your documents in Dropbox and then pull those into LoudCloud, so you can do everything on the device.
Okay, so this is saved. And then I have to decide selective dates for visibility. I don't want it always visible. The other thing is, once you make it today's date, it's there. We're working on it. We've asked LoudCloud for a fix on that. You can't go back and change it, get rid of it. It's there. So you can. What I've done is, if I'm past a start date on an assignment and I've had to create a new one, I've made it. This is the actual you want to upload here assignment. I've done creative things like that, and they're like, okay, or try number 2 on uploading this assignment because we've passed the date and I can't go back and alter it. So I'll put today's date for this one because my kids know it's coming and they don't have to worry about it. And I want Debbie to be able to do. And I'm going to click off class end date. I've been putting December 19th because we're going to shift at the semester, or December 21st.
Or you can put June, keep it for the whole year. You don't have to switch it the semester.
And then you have to do the attempt dates as well. I know this is the
attempt, that's when the student can attempt to answer the discussion board or the forum topic. Logged in as a student, I only have one role, and that's a student. You can see that at the top. This is my home screen. This is what the students see in this order. They have events on the left by calendar. The middle area would be my tasks. So they can see, you can see I have 4 tasks, 4 overdue assignments, what is due today, what is coming up. So I'm going to go over to the right and click on the English class. And for this class I can see anything that's in the calendar. So the first date will be today, and then it'll go, so the calendar kind of rotates. I can click right there into her content. That's the quickest way to get there. Where it says September 26th, Heart of Darkness Quiz Prep. So when I click on that, it tells me it's a discussion question. Also the little icon, it looks like a little, like the little bubble that comes out for dialogue. So, and then if it was like an assignment, it would be more like a clipboard. So the icons tell you something.